Imagine having technology work for you, even while you sleep, go for a walk, or take care of your daily tasks. And no, I'm not talking about a robot, vacuum, or talking coffee machine. The world has long had innovations that open doors to new opportunities, allowing people to travel wherever they want, buy great cars, or simply set aside savings for their children or future. No, this isn't science fiction. Artificial intelligence is already changing the world, and I decided to create my own assistant to delegate my work to. My name is Nathan, and I've been a trader for 8 years. I've always been interested in how technology can simplify life. That's why, together with my team of developers, I spent 9 months creating an AI bot that could handle all the routine
Did you know that
while delivering great results. And you know what? I succeeded. I won't go into details about what I've achieved with this bot. Just look at how many people it has helped. Do they understand trading? Not at all. They don't need to. Stay with me, because today I'm going to show you exactly how this bot works and what it's capable of. Watch until the end. This is going to be an exciting masterclass on how to interact with an AI assistant that has been trained with valuable knowledge and can accurately determine market direction. Who knows? Today, artificial intelligence might just change your outlook on the future. Let's go. Guys, I have great news. I've opened access to my AI bot inside my private community, a powerful tool that handles all the routine for you. Market analysis and trading decisions are no longer the trader's responsibility. What's even more incredible is that this bot eliminates the human factor entirely. Unlike people, it doesn't get emotional, doesn't rush decisions, and always follows a precise algorithm. The same algorithm I've developed over 8 years. I have already received offers to sell this bot for a high price, but I refused. Why? Because the technology behind it offers opportunities that can be measured in material assets. I want as many people as possible to have access to this tool and change the way they approach financial opportunities. Inside my private community, you can get access to this bot for free. You don't need to spend months studying theory or worrying about making mistakes. The bot does all the analysis and provides trading solutions on its own. Many members of my community are already using it, and now you have the chance to test it out too. But here's the catch. I personally help each new member learn how to use the bot, so spots are limited. If you want free access, click the link in the description or pinned comment. Now, I'm about to show you how the bot works, but first, make sure you've secured your spot in the community. This kind of technology shouldn't be ignored. Let's keep going. My platform is already open and we're ready to begin. My AI bot just sent me the pairs to focus on today. Let's select them. Today, I'm not using any indicators because my smart assistant is handling all the analytics. Everything is set up and the bot is actively analyzing the first pair. So, let's get started. My AI bot is now indicating a downward move. It has identified that the price has reached a key resistance level. Such levels often halt price movement and trigger a reversal downward. I agree with its analysis and follow my assistant's recommendations, expecting a downward correction. Great start. The price has indeed reversed downward, confirming my AI assistant's insights. Let's see how the situation unfolds. Now, my bot has detected that the price has broken through a key level and is holding above it. This typically indicates that buyers have strength and the market is set to continue moving upward. I'm joining this upward trend following my AI bot's recommendation. Once again, the AI assistant was right. The price is moving upward, confirming its precise analysis. Let's keep going. Here, the bot has spotted that after a decline, the price has stabilized at a level that previously prevented it from going lower. Buyers are actively supporting the price at this point, so my assistant suggests continuing the upward movement. Trusting the bot's recommendation, I enter a trade in an upward direction. Excellent! My bot has once again accurately identified the market situation. The price continues to rise. Let's keep trading. I can't tell you how proud I am to see my assistant outperform its creator. I spent 9 months of life developing this bot, and now I'm reaping the rewards. I remember when I studied the market, tested strategies, made mistakes, tried again, and eventually realized one simple truth. Humans will always be humans. Emotions, fear, and hesitation can ruin even the strongest strategies. That's why I created an AI bot that does exactly what it's supposed to do. No fear, no panic, no impulsive decisions. Just strict analysis, instant reactions, and trading decisions based on real data online. And yes, I could have kept this bot just for myself. I could have sold it, but I decided that this opportunity should be able to anyone who's ready to embrace technology and stop trading blindly. My private community has free access to the bot, plus analysis of trading sessions and step-by-step training. All you need is just try it. But here's the thing, I don't work with the masses. I personally help each new member get started, so spots are limited. If you really want to learn, secure your spot now. Click the link in the description or pinned comment and join the community. Now, let's continue. AI bot once again recommends an upward move. It has detected that after a brief pause, the price has started to climb gradually, forming a steady upward movement on a chart. I can see that there is still room for a price to rise before it reaches the next resistance level, so I accept my assistant's suggestion and continue moving upward. Fantastic! My AI bot and I have once again correctly determined the direction. Let's move on. Now, the bot indicates that the trend is shifting downward. It has noticed that after breaking a level, the price failed to continue rising confidently and has instead started moving sideways. This suggests that buyers may be losing strength and the price could return downward. I follow my AI bot's suggestion and anticipate a decline. Great work from my assistant. Once again, the chart confirms its recommendations. Moving on to the next setup. The AI bot has detected an active upward movement that is now building strength. It recommends joining this rise as the strength of buyers has noticeably increased. I agree and follow this direction to take advantage of a current trend. Amazing! Once again, my bot has accurately spotted a change in dynamics and pointed us in the right direction. Now, the bot is once again indicating an upward move. It has spotted that the chart has broken through a key level after a brief consolidation, and now the price is pushing higher. Typically, after such breakouts, the price continues moving up confidently. I follow my assistant's recommendations and go with an upward trend. A perfect way to end the trading session. Today, the AI bot has clearly demonstrated its effectiveness in helping make the right decisions. Stay on top by making the most of technology. Look at what we've accomplished. Huge thanks to my AI assistant. Of course, you could try to learn trading on your own. You could spend months testing strategies, making mistakes, and wasting time, but that's like trying to build a house without the blueprint, not knowing which materials to use or how to put them together. It's a long, difficult process that often leads to frustration. Or you could use my AI bot, which analyzes the market, finds entry points, and makes decisions with precision, without emotions, purely based on strategy. I designed this bot based on my own experience, and now it's helping not just me, but also the members of my private community. Every day in the community, I demonstrate how the bot works, explain its actions, and help new members understand the process. There is no need to dive into complex schemes. Just use the bot and apply its decisions. Instead of guessing which method is right, join the community where people are already using the bot. Inside, you will get access to all its features, as well as support and real-time analysis of its actions. Access is still free for now, but since I work with each new member personally, the numbers of spot is limited. Click the link in the description under this video or in the pinned comment and start using the bot today. And remember, even the most effective strategies cannot completely eliminate risks. This is a part of any work with the market. The key is to approach the process wisely and use proven tools. That's all for now. Thank you for staying with me until the end. See you soon.